Today we're going to be talking about 7 mistakes that every solo 401k plan sponsor makes. Don't make those mistakes. Watch this video. Mistake number 1, not understanding the solo 401k rules. Katherine, are there rules with solo 401k plans?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Now then, you cannot have long-term, long-time, full-time employees with a solo 401k plan, okay? Solo 401k plans are just for owners. We have had numerous conversations with numerous business owners that had solo 401k plans.
But it's only for me.
But it's only for me.
It's only for me.
No, it's not.
ERISA still cares about
the
your
Department of
employees.
Labor and the IRS beg to disagree, okay? Now then, also what comes as a surprise to many solo 401k plan owners is that, or solo 401k plan sponsors, that the document rules apply. They have to be amended and restated and updated on the same cycle as plans with employees. And also, finally, yes, the Form 5500 rules do apply. They're different, but they do apply, all right? And especially if you have a ROBS plan with employer stock in it, and yeah, there's gonna be a video on that very soon if we don't already have one. Okay, so Katherine, what's mistake number 2?
Forgetting long-term, part-time employees.
Right. If you have an employee who's been with you since 2021, 2022, and 2023, and they have worked over 500 hours in those years, that person is eligible to defer in your 401k plan, whether you want them to or not. And that makes it no longer a solo 401k plan. Is there a plan compensation limit for somebody to make a Roth 401k deferral?
No, not for the 401k.
Correct.
But IRA, you're in trouble.
Yeah, we're not talking about IRAs.
I know.
We're talking about Roth 401ks. There is no compensation limit for you to make a Roth deferral. And if you truly do have no employees, there are tools in place for you to be able to turn your pre-tax contributions inside your 401k plan into Roth if you want to. You need to make sure you understand what those possibilities are and whether or not that is right for you. What's the next mistake, dear?
Delaying plan setup.
Right, okay. And why is delaying plan setup important?
Because you just less heavy lifting the sooner you start.
Right. The sooner that you start, the less you have to put away, and the more you have our good friend compounding interest taking effect. We've done a couple of videos on this. Basically, every decade that you delay starting, you have to double the amount you're contributing every year to get to the same amount. Mistake number 5 is if you have the right cash flow and you're in a situation where you can do this, don't forget to benefit from coordinating a cash balance plan with your 401k plan. Those are very simple.
Mistake number 6 is thinking there are really solo 401ks.
Right. So I know we've been saying solo 401k plans and owner-only 401k plans because that's what everybody calls them, all right? So what people think of as an owner-only or a solo 401k plan follows absolutely every single rule that a plan with employees follows. Plans with only owners in them have one difference, and it's not in how the 401k operates, it's the 5500 filing rules. If you have less than $250,000 in your plan, you don't have to file a 5500. When you have more than $250,000 in your plan, you have to file a 5500 SF, okay? But all the other rules apply. Mistake number 7.
Not taking advantage of the tax credit for adding automatic enrollment.
If automatic enrollment is added to a 401k plan, there's no limit on, it doesn't say you have to have a rank and file employee. It doesn't say you have to have employees below a certain compensation amount. It just says if you add automatic enrollment to a plan document, you get $500 a year as a tax credit during the first 3 years you have that provision in place. As long as you're spending, you just get the $500 tax credit, okay, for having it. You don't even have to be spending $500, all right? So mistake number 7 is not taking advantage of the tax credit for adding automatic enrollment. Hopefully, despite all of our ramblings, you still want to set up a solo 401k plan with us.
So get in contact with Christopher
at sales@hunterbenefits.com. And hopefully they like this video. Did you like this video?
I like teasing it.
You like teasing me. Yeah, I like the video. So hopefully if you like this video, please watch some of our other 401k videos here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. You know the rules, all right? Please don't forget, keep those cards and letters coming.
Always rules. Toodaloo.